Samsara Camera Settings. The Camera tab lets you adjust camera settings and post-processing filters to capture a master image. Internal light adjusts the brightness of the 20 built-in LED lights on the camera, with 0 turning the lights off. Focus lets you adjust the focal distance of the camera, with higher numbers allowing you to focus on objects further away. We generally recommend using the autofocus button for speed and simplicity. Rotation rotates your image clockwise by a specified amount of degrees. Exposure is the amount of light that reaches your camera sensor, with higher numbers giving you brighter images. We generally don't recommend increasing exposure as it can increase processing times or cause image blurriness. Gain affects your camera's sensitivity to light, with higher values resulting in brighter images but more noise. Similar to exposure, we generally don't recommend adjusting the gain setting. Equalized light and image, as the name suggests, reduces the intensity of brighter areas while brightening darker ones, resulting in a more evenly lit image. Sharpen Image enhances details and textures within the image and can be helpful for particular applications such as detecting surface defects. Focus Overlay highlights all areas of the image that are in focus. This is helpful to use when dealing with objects that have non-flat surfaces to ensure that the features of interest are properly in focus. And finally, Master Image Overlay generates a transparent image layer on top of your camera view if a master image was already set. This allows you to line up what you see in the camera with a pre-existing master image to avoid having to change any inspections you may have already set.